Good evening, guys. This is Bedelicious Channels, and today I really want to talk about a very future investment that you can make with as little as £10, and it's secure, it's easy, it's trustable, and it's no third parties companies involved. So everything what you invest, and you might have chance to get it back for 10 times, 100 times, or you might lose it. So we're talking about marketing, and when you're investing in such a marketing stock, so you're buying shares or you're buying cryptocurrency, you always need to understand that you have the chances to risk the money, to lose it all, or to make it for 100 times, to multiply for 100 times. But this is not the point what I want to say. The point I want to reach is there are so many people, vulnerable people, that they are browsing on Facebook, Instagrams, and all these platforms online, social media, and all these websites, and they always advertising, the scammers advertising, if you want to invest in shares, register, and you're gonna make a lot of money from as little as £250, because this is what mostly of the companies want you to invest. Well, I tell you what, you need to be very carefully when you register like that online through any platforms, any kind of social medias or website. If you receive phone calls immediately or after one day, you have to understand that that is the most scammable website you've been through. So I suggest you to give up, don't put any money on, go away. To understand why is, I have been investing in like private pension, ESAP pensions, and marketing, like cryptocurrency and share stock, and it's a long-term investment. This is what you need to understand. But the point is, you need to understand that you need to find a way to invest money, to make money or to lose money. But at least if you lose money, you lose your own money that you wanted to invest, from as little from £20 a week or whatever you are able to invest. But those companies that I was talking about, they want you to open an account with £250, and then they will call you and they will press you and they will lie to you, and they will drag you down to your knee, and they will beat you with phenomenal theories that you're gonna make billions. They're gonna give you so many advices which it doesn't exist. So this is what I want you to understand. Do not believe them. Never ever, when I invest in any kind of business that I told you now, nobody ever called me back to tell me that I want you to go to the bank to take a loan and then to invest it here because you're gonna make 100 times better. Nobody will ever call you back and it will say we can give you a finance through our website to buy stock shares, and then basically you can reinvest it in this, and you're going to lose it all. So you're going to have a debt to the website where you invested, to the company, because you have the loan to pay, and then you lost your own money that you invested until now. So here's what I want you to understand. Be very careful when you choose it. So if you want to choose to make an investment, because now we're talking about everything now is cryptocurrency and shares and all this, it is what it is. I think it's gonna go good. But at least if you choose to invest, you need to understand that you can invest with no risk. So if you want to open an account to invest in cryptocurrency, I give you an example. The best and the most secure way to do it is to the PayPal. Everybody's got a PayPal account. So why don't you log in your PayPal account and go down to the bottom, the second square, and you're going to see there cryptocurrency. So now you are able to buy through PayPal new cryptocurrency like bitcoins and other cryptocurrency from as little as £10. Nobody's gonna call you, nobody's gonna put you in debt, and you can invest as much as you want. You can sell it whenever you want, and it's as easy as that. For a long-term investment, probably you're gonna be lucky, and you're gonna make money. I don't know. It might be risky. You might be losing all. You might not. But at least you're not having issues with those companies that they will call you and they will give you so many advices, and they will tell you that they're so friendly with you and they are very specialized and qualified and give you marketing advices because you're stupid and you don't know nothing and you are childish, and all these things. Nobody's gonna bother you. Nobody's gonna drag you down to the in depth for the rest of your life. Like, I've got a very good friend, which I know the experience from them, and I'm telling you, if you're caught in one of them, you're gonna go down, and you're gonna be in debt for all your life. The problem is, if you try to invest in something, it's not investing in you to go down, to be homeless, or to put yourself in a debt like £200,000 to the bank, which you will never be able to pay it. Do you know what I'm saying? To try to invest for your future investment, for your future pension, or whatever you want to do, is you invest as little as possible and securely. If you lose it, you lose £10, £20, £100, but at least you won't lose £200,000. So this is what I'm talking about. The most secure website to invest is PayPal. I'm telling you, it's easy, nice, from as little as £10. Then I found some other platform to invest, which is securely, and I can see it's nobody calling you, nobody's gonna drag you, give you advices to drag yourself in a debt or try to scam you to take all the money from you because you don't know what it's all about is. I invest in Coinbase, it's called. It's a nice, easy application, which I find it interesting. You can invest from as little as £10 as well, and it's secure. You can buy cryptocurrency from there. Of course, obviously, you need to browse before you invest, how to invest. You need to take some lessons before you're putting yourself in this one. But however, if you lose like £10 or £20, it's nothing, isn't it? But at least you try, instead of playing lotto or giving money for free from casinos online and bookies and all that. At least you can invest for a long-term investment, and you in 20 years you might have something like, from £10 you can have like £100,000. You don't know, but at least you try. And the second investment platform that I find it very, very good, and I find it easy and securely, and it's been designed very well in the last couple of months. I mean, they put some updates on, and it's just, you learn as you go. You can share, you can see other cryptocurrency investment or shares or stock, and you can learn from them as you go. You don't need to share nothing. You just watch other investors how they do it, and you can do it as well. And I think it's a nice platform. It's a very, very smart platform, and it's called eToro. And you can buy from stock, shares, and cryptocurrency. Coinbase is made just to buy cryptocurrency. It's only cryptocurrency, the way I saw. PayPal at the moment, they got only cryptocurrency as well. But eToro has got all kind of investment in the market, which is it's good. But you need to understand that investing in stock and share, it is 1,000,000 times riskier than buying cryptocurrency, because it is what it is. It's investing in big companies, then the companies can have a good year, or they can have a good 20 years like Tesla. Or you can have companies that during the pandemic, they went down and shut themselves, and you can lose everything. You need to understand that in everything what you invest in life is risky, isn't it? But my point in this video is to make people to understand that it's nobody on this earth that he will call you and he will teach you and he will coach you in one way or another to make money. There's nobody in this world to make you like that. Probably you have to have the you have to be the luckiest man in the world to have a friend like that and to teach you and to coach you to make money. But other than that, all these companies that they're catching you and they try to drag you down, they will coach you to invest more money and to put yourself in a big debt until you can't go out from there, and then you can't do nothing. Because let's be honest, if you're a ordinary person, you can't employ a lawyer, you can't go by law, you can't do nothing, because you cannot afford it. It's not, which they've got 100 million lawyers running out, at the table. This is their job, to save their skin when they scam you or when they do crap like that. So be very, very careful, my friends. I wish you all the best, and probably this video will open a lot of eyes, especially the vulnerable people which they don't have a clue what this marketing and investing in a cryptocurrency is all about. But at least I've done my job, and I hope I help some other people putting themselves in a good situation to choose the legal and the more secure way to invest from as little as £10. So good luck, guys, and I hope you, if you ever have a very successful investment, if you choose to do it, I would like you to give me a comment, and I'll be grateful to see that people took my advice and they're safely investing their money and they make profit and they can have a better life in the future. So good luck, guys, and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.